Hello, welcome to all my dear students to this online lecture. I am your computer teacher and my name is Shweta Yadav, and today is our computer lecture and our topic is about paint. So before starting our lecture, I hope you all are fine at your place. Take care of yourself and stay home, stay safe, and also says that wash your hand continuously with the alcohol based hand rub. Cover your mouth with the nose and avoid the close contact. Now see, in the previous lecture what we will study. So the first topic that we study in the previous lecture is how to start a paint. This is the first topic that in the previous lecture we studied, that how to start a paint, what is the use of the paint and how it works. These three things we learn in the previous lecture. So see the short description. Find the desktop. The desktop is the main screen of our laptop or computer. See, this picture shows my laptop screen and this is my desktop screen. In the desktop screen we have to search the search tab. See the black bottom line, we call them taskbar. What? It's called taskbar. Find the taskbar from the desktop and click on the search tab. What? Click on the search tab. You can see here this round circle. This circle is search tab icon. We have to just click here and type here the paint spelling. What? A paint spelling. Any program that you have to open, you have to just write their spelling. So see, in this picture I am writing here the paint spelling, P-A-I-N-T, paint. So the paint program will appear at the top. Best match. What? The best match, the paint program. And you can see here the color plate and the brush. It is the icon of paint program. So we have to just click on this paint icon and the paint window will be open. What? The paint window will be open. You can see this paint window. Yes, in the previous lecture we can open the paint window and draw some paint. So in the paint window, the white color page is for drawing area. We call them drawing area. What? Because they are white page, it is used to draw anything. So okay, now see, this is our desktop window and now we are starting our paint. So search tab, click here, write the paint spelling and what? Just click here. So the paint window will be open. See, now this is our paint window. From the file menu I will just open the previous lecture, paint drawing. So you can remember that we are done this in the previous lecture. Yes, these pictures we can done in the previous lecture. Again I am showing that how to open it, the recently saved picture. Open the paint program, click here, then bigger. From file tab, click on the file tab. In the open menu and see where is our picture name. So here, right, you can see here the picture of shapes. This is our previous lecture picture. So by clicking on that and open, the picture will be open. See here, name is also display here, the picture of shapes, paint, and we can done this in the previous lecture. Remember this? I think you should remember. Now in this lecture what we do? Draw another picture but with different ideas and the shortcut keys that we use for drawing. So let's start this picture drawing. For that what we have to do? First of all, take one new paint window. Yes. Then what we have to do for the new window, new paint window? Click on the file menu. From them, new. You can see the new tab. Click on it. So here the new paint window will be open. You can see here the untitled paint is written. It means it is the new paint window. So before starting our paint, let's save our paint window. For that, click on this button for save the current picture. By clicking on this, we are opening some dialog box. It is a save as dialog box. Click here and from the keyboard press the backspace key. Which key? Backspace key. And write here picture name. I am giving here second demo. So it is our third picture name that I will give here. See the path. In this path we saving pictures. This PC pictures, in the pictures we are saving these pictures. Okay, now see the name is changed to demo. So it is our paint window. It will be saved here. Now see, we are draw using the different shapes, right? In the previous lecture what I am doing? Simple, just taking these shapes and put it here and draw it and fill the color. Yes, I am doing this in every lecture, right? But now see, I want to do something new using this select shape, copy paste and resize and the rotation also. So for that, first of all what I am doing, I am do the reverse process of the simple drawing. Put a color picker, choose this orange color and fill it here. What? Fill it here. So our paint sheet color, it will change. From the white it comes orange. What? The orange shade. You can take whatever color you want to put here. Color it here. I just select this orange shade. Now I am choosing the one shapes from this home tab, which I think I just take this triangle shape. What? Triangle shape. But remember here color 1 should in a black. After color it this sheet, you must have to change this color 1 to black. After doing this, you can see the shapes is draw here. Right? It's drawn here. You can see here. Now right click on it and paste. See, select this shape. I just click on this select menu. From the mouse button, I am pressing the left mouse button and drag it the area that I want to select. I just want to select the square rectangular shape. So I just select. Now see here the copy option is available. So click on the copy and now click on the paste. So see here these shapes is copy here. You can see here. Again paste. So you can see the third one is also copy. What I am doing, I am just joining the shapes. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Again I am doing this paste option, then it comes again here. So you can see here by using this copy and paste option we can just simple draw the same size of triangle. What? Same size of triangle shapes. If we are selecting from here and draw it, then it is not compulsory that we are doing the same size shapes. So for same size shapes we use copy and paste option. What? Copy and paste options. So now again paste and complete the row. What? Complete the row by just copy and paste. Again paste it and the last one. Okay, now see the one row is completed. What? The one row is completed. Now See, again I am paste another one and put it here. Again paste and see now. From the here I want to rotate these shapes. So see, rotate right 90%. So it angle rotate. Now see the left side, so it come again 180. After clicking the rotate 180, the shapes come reverse. You can see this one is the correct rotation, but this one is 180 degrees, so it come reverse. Now see, in this row, second number row, we are copy it and just simple paste it. Now join these shapes, paste. So you can see, notice that we are drawing something interesting here. You can see here, we can drawing, nahi? We draw something new with new ideas. So if you are watching this video and if you are having the computer or laptop, so go fast, open your computer and do with me. Go fast if you are having this. If you are not having that, see my video and learn new something. So second row is also completed. Now see, again the paste and come here. Now I want to rotate again 180. See. Now copy and paste. See, the copy and paste will work very nicely. Yes, it will joining the lines and the shapes. You can see. Here I am doing this. Interesting na? You would like this picture or not? See, if you have to fill the color here, so you also fill it. But for that, you have to do something changes in this picture, because the line will not completely fill here. You can see the edges is not completely here. Yes? Now see, again the paste option, come here and now rotate it. What? Rotate it. So it is here. Now copy and paste. So the reverse direction is copy and the fill the paste. You can see what I am doing by clicking and dragging my mouse. Understanding? We are just selecting the shapes and copy and paste, and using this rotation we are drawing some pattern in the picture. Yes, we are drawing some patterns. Okay, now see how it's look. Interesting na? By copy and paste and rotation option, we can draw something new, right? Now see, we have to fill the colors. What? We have to fill the colors, something new colors. So for that, what we have to do, first of all, choose the color picker can. Yes, and choose the color that you have to fill. So I just select this, or from this I think I just want to take another shade. So I come here, drag here and choose my custom color. from the here, from the here. Okay, add it. Okay, now see, for 1, put the 1 space and fill it here, put the 1 space here and fill it here, not this one and not this. We are just putting the color, filling the color in the one shape and one neglected or not fill it color. Third one fill it, fourth is not done, fifth one, sixth one, 7 and 8th one is empty. We cannot fill the color. Now the second row, come here. Now take another shade. What? Take another shade. Now see, from this shade we choose here, but this color is not matched with the picture, so we can change the picture shade. Yes, we can change the shade. Add here and fill it here. If it doesn't like, then you can also change the another shade also. See, now this color, I just edit color, choose this one shade, and from the pink shade use the custom solid color. From the here I will select this, add custom color and OK, then it comes here, and by color 1 you can fill it. Now see, we in the second row, what we have to do first, shapes, we cannot fill the color, but in the second shape we are filling the colors. Now see the third one, we cannot fill here, so skip it and come into fourth shape. Now come it here, fifth one, so what, skip it. Now 6 number, fill it. Now the 7 number, what we have to do, skip it, and now here. So you can see we are give the shade here. What? We are giving the shade here. Now again choose this one color. Which color? This one. So where is the color? Here. And now come in the third number row and fill it. Here we can fill it, sorry, not this color, but I think this, the shade, which shade we are use here, not it, okay. Now see, second, skip, third, color it, fourth, skip, this one, color it. Now 7 number skip, 8 number done. So we can color it these shapes. Again choose this color, come here, here is the color is shape fill, so I will not fill here, just starting here, 1 skip, 1 color, 1 skip, 1 color. So this shade is fill here. Now see how it's look. It's look nice. Yes, it look nice. Now see choose the different shade. See, by fill here the all picture change. Why? Because you can see here, I will from the view I will zoom it, the picture. So you can see here the edges is not completely filled. Yes, the edges is not completely filled here. So we have to first of all fill the edges. Then and then only the picture shade we can change. So for fill it the edges we use this pencil. What? The pencil. And what we have to do, just zoom it and see the area. But remember the here color one is changed, so first come it to black, choose the black color from the color shade. Now see, you can just fill the gap. You can see here gap, so we are just have to fill it. So the color will not change in the all other edges. Yes, see here also gap, so write this pencil fill here, here also. Now see here is also gap, so fill it here. So the shade is the color is not gone outside from the shapes. Okay, now see, here is also gap. So again zoom it the picture, come here and fill the gap using the pencil. Yes, using the pencils. The last one is not correct or straight. See here, here also. Just we are joining the edges so the color not go outside from the shapes. You can see here the one is also, we have to join the edge. Yes, so we can do it. After doing this, the color will not go outside. Okay, now come in the regular 100% size. This is our pictures, right? Again choose our color orange shade and fill it. Choose the color picker and fill it. Now see, complete. Picture again is come back. Now choose the different shade that you have to fill. See, I am color fill here, but this one is also come. So here is one problem, the edge is not completely done. So take a pencil and fill it here. Sorry, choose here color or black, so the edges color is same as a black, right? So we are fill it. Now again choose the color picker can color and fill, but the shade is not match with our picture, so I will change the picture shade. Come into edit option, from this choose the different shade, add custom and fill it. You can see the shade also. Now see, one space and one fill it. What? One space and one fill it. Now see the another shade, add it and choose here from the another shade. Add it. Okay. Now choose it and fill it here. See, we are fill the different shade into different shapes. Yes, choose the another shade also and pick the another one. Add it and okay. Now fill here. See, we are putting a one space here. One we fill here, one we skip. Third one fill, fourth one skip. Yes, now see the another shade, add it and choose it the another shade. Edit and okay. Fill it here. You can see we are fill the different color by this edit color. Now see, come here in this line, so change the color if you want. I think we have to change it color, so take another shade and edit this shade, add one, okay. Now fill in this shade. What? Fill in this shade. Now see the another shade, you can take it from this blue line, edit and okay. Now fill here. Oops, by mistake we can fill here, so use undo option. So the color it comes again here. Yes, see we are doing the different shades and fill it. The last one that we have to fill with the dark shade, so I choose this one and okay. Now I want to fill here. Yes, I want to fill here, so this shades is fill it here. And how it's look? Tell me how it's look. Nice or not? Who will give me answer? The pictures look nice or not? The last one we fill with the all same color, but it's not look go, so change the different color here and fill the another shade. What? Fill the another shade, one different color. See here the one is remaining, so we can fill it. So our picture is complete. Now see, I am zoom out and zooming from the here. So this is our today's picture, the pattern, the design you can see also. Now see, from this design I have to do some another change. I just click this shade and you can see here I am drawing it here. Now paste, select, you can see here I am drawing the star here. What? Drawing the star here with the different size, with the different size. So our picture it's look again interesting. Yes. Now from this I want to circle, use the circle and draw it. You can see I am just pressing the mouse left button and drag it, so the circle is drawn here. You can see here we are doing the another one. Now take one color, take a color picker and just fill the color. What? Just fill the color. Here the border it comes blue, so now it's come black. By choosing the black color and color picker we can change also the color line. Now another shade, which one? Which I think I should this one, shape, black color and then draw it. Draw it and put where you have to put in the design. You can see here I am doing this. So easy, na? It's so easy to draw in the computer with a different idea. You can use your mind and you can do anything in your computer. You can do any drawing and fill the color with the any one. add the custom color at your choice and fill the color. Oops, here is the mistake. I will change the border color. So what? Undo and then fill. Now see here the border color is also changed. So select the black color and come here and click. Again choose the color and fill it inside. So our picture is complete here. Right? Our picture is complete here. See now I want to write a text here. So choose the color black and what we have to write here, I write is